What is going on, everybody? Good morning. Again, it's about almost 8:30. It's 8:25 right now. Nice, gloomy, ugly day in the Bay, and still out here hustling, baby. Let's get today started. Welcome to the channel. This is Ron with Get Fat Food, where I do like mukbangs, carbongs, cooking, and food delivery. So this video is part of a series. I'm doing a daily vlog of my work, which is food delivery, and I am going to work every day for the month of September for September Behind Bars challenge, where you just try to make as much as you can. My goal for this month, again, is $8,000. So I want to make $8,000. I didn't do so good yesterday. Yesterday was my first day, and yeah, it sucked, man. I mean, well, on Wednesdays my kid gets out of school early, so he gets out like around 12:50, and so what am I gonna do? I gotta pick him up. Then the old lady doesn't get off of work till like 4, so I mean, that's a good break time for me. So, like, you know, other than Wednesday where I have to pick him up early, I can work lunch and morning and dinner time. So yeah, man, my goal today is to make 300 bucks, and hopefully I can do that. And if I can make 300 tomorrow, which is Friday tomorrow as well, that can make up for yesterday's debacle. I did try Grubhub, and I don't know, it works good. The pay is good, at least, but I find that I'm having longer wait times compared to Doordash and UberEATS. So I think I'm gonna lay off the Grubhub for now, and then just do what I know, which is Doordash and UberEATS. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first. Anyway, let's get today started. 8:30. Phil's coffee behind me. Starbucks is that way. I think there's like a bagel place right here. I'm kind of near the mall, so there's like other stuff near the mall too for breakfast. There's IHOP. There's a Denny's kind of far away, but there's a Denny's. And yeah, I mean, I don't think we have any diners or anything like that, like those old school breakfast diners. I don't think so. In any case, let's get today started. If you're not subbed yet, please sub. Smash the like button, please. Helps me out. It's free to you, so please do. I didn't get much sleep last night because I was editing the video and trying to relax, watching some of my anime. All right, guys, let's do this. Oh, I wanted to let you guys know, every time I go out, one of my rituals is to play Hustlin' by Rick Ross. And it puts me in this like mindset, like I gotta go out there and hustle, baby, let's go. So you know, like, every day I'm hustling. So yeah. Anyway, let's do it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? So unfortunately I took a big ass nap. I'm out here now. It's dinner time. It's just about 6, a little bit after 6, and yeah, I picked up my kid and I ate like a late lunch, and then I just knocked out for a few hours. So I'm coming back out here, and so I'm here now. Let's see if I can make up for that. Tonight I might go a little later because I did come out later, so maybe I'll stay out till like 11 or so, and then yeah. Anyways, I'll give you guys the recap in a bit. Oh, for lunch, breakfast and lunch, I only made $70. I mean, it wasn't great. And I go out there like at 8:30 after I drop off the kid and my lady to her work. So yeah, only 70 bucks, man. I mean, I know that's a good chunk, like off of what I need to make for today, but you know, it's not great after being out for, what is that, like 5 hours or so, 4.5 hours for only 70 bucks. I mean, yeah, but I am being picky. I am cherry picking, and so should everyone else. You shouldn't be doing like little, you know, no tip $4 orders. Don't do those. Even if you're on like a bike or something, just because it's just principle, you know. Should at least tip a little bit, you know. Maybe 7, maybe 6, because you know there's at least $1 or 2 tip on there. But yeah, don't be doing those little ones. In any case, let's get this started. Night shift. Let go. I didn't make any money today, guys. Let's go through the numbers. So, I worked all 3 apps today. This is the recap. It's already almost 1 in the morning. Uber, Doordash, Grubhub. I know I said I'd leave Grubhub alone, but it was pretty dead where I wanted to work. So I had to turn Grubhub on, unfortunately. And it did give me a couple of orders, so I'm not mad at it. So let's start off with Grubhub. Excuse me. Earnings. Cool. So I got 34.27. Let's add that to the calculator. 34.27. Okay. Now we come to Uber, 72.94. And then we come to Doordash, which today I made a whopping $23. Can you guys see that? There you go, $23. 3 deliveries, $23. Do you guys see the dash time compared to the active time? Well, I don't think it's focusing. Well, it says 3 hours dash time, but only 35 minutes of active time. You know, there was a lot of sitting around today. I'm very disappointed. I mean, this is a challenge to make as much as you can. And one of the things I've been putting off is working downtown, and it's mainly because I use a car, and using a car downtown really sucks. There's no parking. There's nowhere for you to stop. There might be some places where I can work that are close to downtown, but downtown itself, it will be a struggle if I tried. Or I'd probably get a parking ticket. So the total for today, 130 bucks. Oh, damn, I thought I made more than that. I guess not. So I was out today from 8 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. until 1. I ended at 1 and then came home and got ready to pick up the kid. Then I walked and picked up the kid, brought him back. I ate a late lunch. I usually eat late lunch anyway. And then I usually get food coma. And then, so I took a nap. I didn't wake up till
5, and that was my fault. If I was out there longer, maybe I could have made more. But by the time I actually got out to work, it was 6:30, and I ended today at around 10. So I worked like 3.5 hours. So 3.5 hours plus 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. 8.5 hours of work, of all actually just being out there, and I only made 130 bucks. Not very good, you guys. Not very good. But yeah, let's bring this video to a close. That's what I made today. Today's the second day. It's so discouraging, and I think it may be because it's a holiday. It's a holiday weekend. It's Labor Day on Monday. I'm gonna work that too, obviously, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully busy. Man, but today sucked. Yesterday sucked. I just can't get a break, man. In any case, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. I don't think I'm gonna make a thumbnail. Nah, too lazy. Too late. Bye-bye.